Why do you still feel stuck, even though your life looks fine? On paper, everything might look okay. You're doing what you're supposed to do, showing up where you're supposed to show up, ticking the boxes, just getting through your day. But inside, you feel disconnected, unfulfilled, like something is missing, but you can't quite explain what. That feeling isn't random. It's not a failure. It's a signal. It's a signal that somewhere along the way, you've lost yourself. You should follow Live Well, Live True and the Thrive method. You'll get back to being you. I've been there. I felt lost. So if you resonate with anything that I've said, give me a like or pop me a comment and connect on my website, and you can book a free discovery call directly to me, and we can get you back to being you.